Are you there? I didn't know you were there. Okay, let's get this started. All right, I finally got the replacement guitar from Busuyi. If you saw my last review of the other Busuyi guitar, one right over there on the wall, it wasn't exactly playable. It wasn't that great. But Busuyi got back with me, and they decided they wanted to send me a replacement. Right here. This is how they ship them. It's styrofoam wrapped in tape. There's an old label up here that was taken off. So I don't know if maybe it was sent from the factory to their office so they could check it and make sure it's fine. I don't know. But also, I don't know if you can see here, it looks like it's been opened. That could have been by customs. Could have been from them inspecting it. I don't know. All I know is it's here, and it's time to check it out. Get my trusty little knife I bought on Temu. Sucker is sharp, though. Still got a cut on my finger from it. Get this opened up. Get a look at it. I guess that guitar didn't want to stand there much longer. Ibanez's are temperamental. Let's see. But there we go. If this one does look different than what I ordered, so let's see what they sent me. So I can already tell this is a different color body. Wrapped up in a styrofoam to keep it safe. There's a bag with a little cord and a couple of Allen wrenches to adjust it with. Take the rubber band off the head. Time for the review. It's a starburst, and it's fretless. Ooh, I like fretless. It doesn't have that little issue that my other one had. That's cool. As it came in, all the strings are still in the nut. The head is shaped better. So I got a feeling that won't be a problem. I can already tell you right now, this one is 100% better than that one. I am so far really happy with it. Finish looks nice, which if you remember, or if you saw my last video, the finish on that white one was excellent. I love that finish. Really light. A little off balance, not too bad. Trying to get all the styrofoam off of it. There was one issue with that one that was on the inside, so I'm going to pop this cover off real quick and make sure this one is fine. All it was, it looked like in the factory they just forgot to solder in a ground wire. Not really a big deal. I fixed that with no problem. Let's see, screwdriver. And because I'm not 20 years old anymore, glasses. I'm gonna open this up. Hopefully we don't have to do any surgery on this one. I swear that Ibanez does not want to be in the picture. There we go. So put that to the side. It's got a little shim in there. Let's see. That's the pickup ground, front pickup, grounded. Oh, well, looks like everything is grounded correctly in there this time. Try and get a little shim back in place. Put this cover back on. It looks like we're in business. It's like I just want to assume that the white one that I got, it was just a bad day at the factory or something. I don't know. So far, everything about this one looks good. But I did notice a little bit of buzz fretboard. That's probably just a little truss rod adjustment or something. Wow, I just noticed that. That's a set neck. So it's not a bolt-on neck. Actually, it looks like it's one piece running all the way through. I don't know. Whatever they did, it's a beautiful job. Finish-wise, there is nothing to complain about. I'm curious, though. Yep, slightly different body. Just look at that. See, that's what I like about Busuyi guitars. They have a really cool shape. Move this out of the way. I don't think I have complaints. That one's good. That one's good. I'm checking everything that I found wrong with the other one, and I'm not finding any problems. So this looks good so far. Tell you what, I'm going to just hook it up just for a quick test, and I'm going to tune it, and then I'll put a video up of playing it. So let me grab a strap off one of these other ones. Take this strap. This Ibanez just does not want to stay put. You stay there. Table. And we got sound. tone control. Neck pickup. Bridge pickup. I'd have to adjust the string height. That's a little low. Yep. Tell you what, I'm going to make an adjustment on the string height. I'm going to tune it. I'll be back to throw a new video up with this bass guitar in tune and playing. So far, it's working. See you in the next video.